everyone, so this one is a belly dance fitness dance. And also this is a tutorial for basic beginners. So I created this choreography for my belly dancing fitness class that I taught at, when I worked at the gym. And we didn't have like a beginner's class there, we had only fitness belly dance class, and then we had intermediate belly dance class. So my fitness belly dance class was for fitness purposes and also to teach the basics to beginner students. So we will use 4 belly dancing moves here. The muscle groups that you will use here is your core muscles, your obliques. And it's a very good cardio workout as well. The dance itself is 4 minutes 52 seconds non-stop. So we will be doing these 4 moves non-stop on one side and then the other side. Okay, I'm gonna explain really quick. It's gonna take 2 minutes for you to learn these moves, and then we'll dance with music. And just FYI, all my students like this one a lot, and they always ask me to play it for our warm-up, for our regular choreography classes. Okay, so we start with the basic belly dancing moves. I'm gonna be showing facing you, and then I'll turn with my side to you so you can see better. So we get into Indian position, take our arms out, and then we start with lifting and dropping our hip. So hip goes up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we do the same thing faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. When you do it faster, it becomes like a shimmy, right? So here you go, from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you're a basic beginner, you might have a question on how you do this. Body weight is on this side. There is no weight on this leg. You put it down just for balance. It's in relevant position. You unbend your knee and bend your knee, and also you engage muscle group here, up and down, and your hip goes up and down. Okay, let's try on the other side. Make sure there is no weight on this leg. So we go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is move number 1. Move number 2 is going to be return step. So you step forward and step back. Step forward and step back. Now let's do on this side. Forward and back, forward and back. In our choreography, we'll try to do forward, back, and then when you step forward, you will add 1, 2 hip hops. 1, 2, back, 1, 2, back. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and now 2 times at the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's try on this side. Forward, back. I'm sorry, 1. First 1. 1, back, 1, back, 1, back, 1, back to front. 1, 2, back, 1, 2, back, 1, 2, back, 1, 2, back. Okay, that's number 2. Number 3 is twist. So we do twist in this position. Right? This is the basic position. Now, if you take your leg out, you will put your body weight on one side, right? And then you will twist your hip. So there will be a little more work on this side here also. This oblique muscle will be helping you to twist your hip. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and then faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I will show from the side for my beginner, basic beginner, people who are watching this video. So you put your body weight mostly on this side. This side is helping also a little bit though. So you twist and bring your hip forward and back. This is what's called twist in belly dancing. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure do not lock your knees. If you lock your knee, it's not safe for your knee, okay? You might damage your knee that way. So always keep your knees in soft position, never lock them back like this. They always have to be in a soft position. Soft position means This is no, this is no, this is soft position. Soft position is your regular position when, if you stand without dancing, doing anything. How do you stand normal? This is how you stand, right? So you do not stand like this. You do not stand like this. You stand like this. Your knees are in soft position. You're ready to, let's say, walk. Okay? All right, so that was the third move. Move number 4 is out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can turn around doing this. Out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. This is for 8 counts. Now on this side, 1, 2, 1, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so here you go. These 4 moves we're gonna do on one side and on the other side with the music. You're gonna like it. So give me a moment. I'll play the music. Wait.